Good morning and happy Thursday. As we're waking up, heading out the door this morning, relatively calm start out there, but it is definitely getting cool out there. You feel that kind of cooler air starting to settle in. Not as cool as what we originally thought this morning. So we were about 5 to 10 degrees cooler than what we were this time yesterday, but that's about as warm as we're going to get today. So current temperatures are in the low 20s, upper teens. We'll be cooling off as we go throughout the day today, and that wind chill is in the single digits for a lot of us already this morning. So be sure to bundle up out the door this morning, grab the jackets, grab the hats, grab the scarves, warm socks, everything. We're going to need them throughout the day today on your Thursday and even heading into the weekend. So taking a live look at satellite and radar this morning, we do have a small system that's trying to move in just north of Omaha, stretching through Kirksville and northeast of Trenton this morning. It's bringing in some very light scattered snow. Not looking at accumulation as the system pushes through, and as it goes throughout the next couple hours, we'll continue to see a little bit more of that stretch through some further southern regions along that northwestern portion of Missouri. So as we track this out with our future track, 8 o'clock this morning, Maryville, Albany, Rockport regions getting a little bit of that very faint, very light scattered snow, and then this will continue through about lunchtime, as it's showing very broken in nature, not looking at those kind of heavier lines like we saw this past weekend. Through lunchtime, kind of seeing more of that push south of Highway 36, and then by this evening we kind of dry up, not seeing too much more, and then just kind of cloudy conditions throughout the entirety of the day. So not looking at tons of accumulation with this very short-lived system, and then we'll continue to cool throughout the day today into the start of Friday morning as well. So today's going to be kind of that weird day where our daytime high temperatures are very similar to what we're going to see this afternoon. So we're in the 20s now. We'll cool off into those upper teens before we start to slowly warm up later this afternoon back into the low 20s. So kind of an opposite day as that cold air starts to filter in. So we're in the 20s today. We're going to be in the teens Friday and Saturday. That frigid air really settling in. Wind chill value is going to be the problem, but we do have another chance to see a few flurries Saturday into Sunday. And with all that being said, with the snow chances today and through this weekend, looking at less than an inch of accumulation. So not looking at tons of snow with this at all. Maybe just a light few flurries on your car early in the morning, but other than that, we're going to be smooth sailing. The bigger issue is going to be the wind chill. So wind chills about 5 to 10 degrees below zero Friday morning, so make sure the kids do have that warm jacket. And then going into Saturday morning looks to be kind of the worst. We're about 15 to 20 degrees below zero wind chill value. So going to be chilly out there. Make sure to keep that jacket handy, especially as we head throughout Saturday. Thankfully, temperatures bounce back up into the 30s by Sunday and Monday.